Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about prepositions. We all know preposition basically it tells the relationship between nouns and pronouns. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is the preposition, right? You have to make a list of 4 prepositions, and of course you have to write their uses. You can write down the 4 prepositions. You have to make a sentence on your own. So prepositions are those words which inculcate the relationship, which indicates the relationship between noun, pronouns and other words in a sentence, right? Most often basically they comes before a noun. They never change their form regardless of what case, gender and so on of the word they are referring to. कुछ common prepositions हैं जैसे कि of, by, in, to, at, up, on, upon भी होता है, along, after, out, for, during, since, right? Till, around, again, against, except, down, until, beneath, right? Inside, toward, within, among, far, from, off, upon, and behind, like, outside, above, despite, over and beside. ध्यान रखिएगा despite के बाद कभी कोई preposition नहीं आता है. Onto, below, before, into, under, without, past, right? Between, across, with, about, near, beyond and through, right? Generally prepositions noun से पहले आते हैं. For example, after the break, at school, before, June, in Maharashtra, on fire, with pleasure. A preposition usually indicates the relationship of the object to the rest of the sentence with respect to the time, space and movement. We all know the pen is on the table. This is space. The program begins on time. Of course, this is time. The dog जो है, it ran towards the bone. This is the movement, right? What are the kinds of preposition? Prepositions दो टाइप के होते हैं, सिंपल और कंपाउंड. सिंपल prepositions क्या होते हैं? जो कि सिंगल वर्ड preposition होते हैं, जैसे at, by, for, from, in, of, out, above, till, to, up, with, etc. ये सब सिंपल preposition है. The cat is on the mat. I know him for a long time. अच्छे से जानते हैं. The work was done in haste. Haste means बहुत ही हरी में. Compound prepositions क्या होते हैं? They are made up of more than one words. जैसे कि in between, because of. Prepositions made up of 2 words. In front of, on behalf of. Prepositions they are made up of 3 words. जैसे कि the car is in front of the gate. The parrot flew out of the cage and the baby crawled from behind the sofa. What are the usage of these prepositions? The following table contains the rules that most of this they are frequently used. What are the prepositions of time? जैसे कि ये preposition है, उसका usage है और उसका example है. जैसे on का days of the week, on Monday, right? इनमें month, season and time of the year, time of the day, ठीक है. तो इन जून, इन समर, राइट. अगर आप ईयर में देखेंगे तो इन 2024 आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, मतलब व्हेन, इन एन आवर. एट में फॉर नाइट, एट नाइट, राइट. फॉर द वीकेंड, एट द वीकेंड. फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम, एट हाफ पास्ट टेंस. Since is for the certain point of time, जैसे कि past till now since 1980. For is basically over a certain period of time, जैसे कि past till now for 5 years, right? Before is time से पहले, ठीक है ना, earlier than the point of time and before 2020. To or till making the beginning and of course the end of the end period of the time, जैसे from Monday to till Friday. Till or until in the sense of how long something is going to last. He is on holiday until Friday. By में in the sense of the latest. I will be back by 6 o'clock. मैं आ जाऊंगा up to certain time. By 11 o'clock I have read 5 pages. Next is preposition of place. Preposition usage और उनका example. इनके लिए आप room, building, street, town, country. In Nangloi, of course in Delhi. Book, paper and so on in the book, right? Car और taxi के लिए in the car, in a taxi. Picture और world में in the picture, in the world. At is basically meaning next to or by an object, at the road, at the station. For table, at the table, right? For events, at the corner, at the party. A place where you are to do something typical, जैसे watch a film, study, work at the cinema hall, at school, at work, right? At work. Next is on. On means attached में the picture on the wall, being on the surface, on the floor, एकदम contact, the direct contact for a certain left, right, or you can say on the left, right. For a floor in the house, on the first floor. For television, radio, on television, on the radio, on the television. By, next to, besides, left, right, or someday or something. Anu is standing by, or you can say next to, beside the car. Under में on the ground, lower than or covered by something else, and the cat is under the table. Next is preposition के usage और again उसके example. Below में देखिए, lower than something else but above ground, ground से ऊपर. The place, The plane is just below the cloud. Cloud से नीचे है. Over, which is covered by something else. जैसे कि put a jacket over your shirt. Shirt के ऊपर jacket पहन लीजिए. Meaning more than means over 6 years of age. Getting to the other side means walk over the bridge. Overcome an obstacle means climb over the wall. Above, higher than something else, but not directly over it. A path above the lake. Across, उसको cross करके जाना. Getting to the other side also cover basically जैसे walk across the bridge, swim across the lake. To के लिए क्या होता है? Movement to a person or you can say building. जैसे go to the cinema, movement to a place or a country, go to Meerut or Nepal. नेपाल की capital काठमांडू. For bed, go to bed. Into में enter a room or building, एकदम अंदर चले जाना, right? Go into the kitchen or you can say house. Towards, movement in the direction of something but not directly to it. Go 5 steps towards the house के 5 step चाहिए. Onto, you have the movement to the top of something, जैसे a jump onto the table. From, in the sense of somewhere, a flower from the garden, right? You have to complete these exercises. You have to complete the sentences with the suitable prepositions. देखिए, Manu is arriving on 11th of June. 11th of June को आ रही है at 2 o'clock in the morning. Morning में. As Shivi was climbing dash the swimming pool. Climbing over, right? We are learning about the Mughals in our history class in our school, right? It rains in India for the it rains in India about the 3 months of June and July. We always go outside and play in the puddles in rainy days, right? Chavi is leaving on Friday, on Sunday in noon mein, right? We met at the school ground at 5 and play cricket at 8:30. After playing in the ground, the children ran into their class. अपनी class में चले गए. I found this joke dash a book with dinosaur. I found this joke in a book about dinosaurs, right? So that was all about prepositions. They are very important. Please learn all the uses of prepositions that we have studied. Keep doing hard work for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.